Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 low sugar smoothies that are great for meal prepping. Depending on the type of fruit you use for your smoothies, they can get really high in sugar. Now, that is great for when you need a snack, but not so good for a healthy breakfast. I will show you great alternatives to fruits like bananas that are pretty high in sugar, and I'll also show you how to sneak in some unsuspecting veggies into your smoothies. Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more yummy recipes and lifestyle tips. To meal prep my smoothies today, I'm going with my trusty mason jars. Now I get a lot of questions about where I bought my jars in Lagos, but these ones I got them from ShopRite in Ikeja. They were pretty inexpensive, but if you can't get your hands on mason jars like this, you can use any glass container you have. You can also use empty mayonnaise jars like this one, or any glass jar you have. I like to use storage containers like this because they don't take up much space in my fridge. Alright, the first recipe we'll meal prep today is this red Power Smoothie recipe. And it's really easy. All you need are chopped beets, 1 red apple. You also need a leafy green. Today I'm using spinach, and this is our locally grown spinach. Then chia seeds. The smoothie recipes I'll be meal prepping today will be enough for 2 servings. So I'm just measuring out my spinach leaves. I'm using about 1.5 cups of spinach leaves into my bowl. I'll give that a good rinse and then just really easy put them into my jar and add all my other veggies and chia seeds into the jar, and it's ready and good to go. I will leave the recipe of all the smoothies I'll be making today in the description box below. So normally I will add bananas to this smoothie recipe, but I find that the apple gives enough sweetness and creaminess to this smoothie, and you really don't need to add the extra sweetness with the banana. So just add all your fruits and vegetables into your jar, top it up with the chia seeds, and it's ready to be stored in the fridge for whenever you need a quick smoothie. All you do then is to add either water or milk. Blend and it is ready to be enjoyed. Next, we have this strawberry oatmeal smoothie. What you will need are rolled oats, fresh strawberries. You can also use frozen strawberries, yogurt. I'm using my homemade Greek yogurt here. Then cauliflower. This is the sneaky vegetable we'll be adding into this smoothie. You also need some hemp seeds. And just like our first recipe, we'll be adding everything into our jar. I'm going to be starting with my Greek yogurt, and I'll top it with my rolled oats, then sneak in the cauliflower and the strawberries, put it in the fridge, and it's ready for when I need a quick high fiber breakfast smoothie. So you might be thinking, ooh, I don't like cauliflower, but honestly you won't taste the cauliflower in this recipe. All it does is to add to the sweetness and the nutrition of this smoothie. So give it a try and you won't even know that it's there. Next up, we have this tropical sunrise smoothie. This smoothie recipe honestly reminds me of the beach. You will need fresh pineapples, mangoes. So I like to use the mango meat and the skin. You also need kiwi. I'm using 1 kiwi fruit. Then of course, coconut. So I'm using my coconut flakes. And for bulk, I'm adding pear. Pear will also add sweetness to the smoothie as well. So like our 2 smoothies before, I'm chopping up my vegetables and fruits and adding them into my jar. For the kiwi, I find that it's easy to take out the kiwi fruit with a spoon. This smoothie recipe is so delicious. When you are ready to blend it, just add coconut milk. Next is my green goodness smoothie. The green leafy veggies we'll need for this smoothie are pumpkin leaves and spinach leaves. You also need 1 green apple, cucumber. I'm going to be using half of that size. You also need half of an avocado. This is going to add healthy fats to this recipe. And you need chia seeds. Chop up all the veggies, add them to your jar, top it with the chia seeds, and it's ready for the fridge. The last but not the least is this chocolate veggie oatmeal smoothie. So all I did was add the remaining veggies that I had. So my remaining spinach, oatmeal, hemp seeds, the other half of my avocado, the remaining bits that I had, and then I topped it up with cocoa powder. I also added a bit of maca powder because I think maca powder goes really well with cocoa. Once you have all those ingredients in your jar, and then it's ready for the fridge. I've also meal prepped my milk that I'll use for my smoothies this week. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you try meal prepping some smoothies this week. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more yummy recipes and lifestyle tips. Also follow me on Instagram because I share some recipes over there that I don't upload onto YouTube. Okay, thank you for joining me here today and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye!